What's good, motivators?
Born in an era they consider to be golden. Touchdown in 95, that's when my soul was awoken. God bless me with this life, man, I should never feel broken. I hope to heal your wounds with these wisdom words I've spoken. I'm here for a reason and I'm gonna live my purpose. I'm rolling in the dirt, I ain't here to scratch the surface.
We're out here late at night. Once again, I'm getting gas and I'm gonna meet up with a lot of rappers. It's a sound social. So I love going to these things because I get to meet more people. I get to vlog and show you guys all the stuff that I'm doing, and I love just being able to connect and find more connections and collaborate with these amazing creative people, these artists. It's amazing. And pay attention to who you guys see in these videos, because even though we're from Iowa, these people might be getting big, okay? And you might like their music. They're freaking good and talented. Like, hey, this is
226 Jiffy.
And where can they find you?
226 Jiffy on TikTok.
Okay, go get him. He's gonna perform today, so you'll see him. Hey, of course I'm with you. You already know. You already know.
Songs off my little EP on the drop, so I hope y'all enjoy it. The drums sound like the dairy.
I'm with.
Shy songwriter in this jam, you know what I'm saying?
And where can they find you?
Shy songwriter on all social media platforms, on all streaming platforms. Let's get it.
There you go. I heard you go hard, so I'm expecting it.
I mean, you know, we're gonna have a good time. That's what I'm gonna do, so we're gonna have fun. Let's get it.
Hey, I'm with.
What's up, guys? I'm Juan. Check me out on Instagram. We are Young Creatives and Outsiders. We do Outsiders clothing. We are South Social too.
Motherfucking noise! Yeah. Hey, they ain't drunk. Y'all ain't drunk yet, man. We got a special treat. Talk to me.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. We do videos, clothing, art. We're just artists in general.
You're gonna be seeing
I like to spread positivity too. So motivation is key.
That's how we get here. That's how we get here. No, para la raza también, eh?
Arrasa.
I'm a beast in the block, taking over the spot. Now raised with old man. I got the game plan, I'm a main man. Laying low like Gotti.
Hey, we got Trio. Okay. Go hit her up. Here's where you find her. Hey, look at that
Malibus and pineapples and shit. Hey, make sure we tipping our bartenders. They're working really hard. Make some noise for the bartenders one time.
Picking open mics. Now I'm in the lights, surrounded by a bunch of hoes. Shit, a crazy life. This ain't how it's supposed to go when you was born to fight. But I just did the ghost go and dodge me on the rights, dodge me on the lefts. I can't fuck with losers, bro, cause they don't write my checks. They don't write my checks. No, but all you people do some tune in for this set. Tune in for this set. Let's get it, DJ. Look what I did. Hey, look what I did. Hey, look what I did. Look what I did. Way like down, but I take it down, like beat it again. Staring by the train tracks, trying to get my brain up, yeah. Gotta just bring the pain back.
I'm with. Where can they find you on social media?
My YouTube is Nick Talk Netty. My Instagram is Nick Talk Netty. And my Facebook is Nick Talk Netty. However, I have a new YouTube and a new Instagram called The Lifestyle of Eating.
Fucking we gon' bust his brain. I can't hear it. Talk to me. The streets don't like nobody. I swear it's a cold game. I called you when you told them hoes that I was just a thing. Send me that text and I'm like, fuck it, we gon' bust his brain. But they was acting like we can't be seen together. Now niggas trying to come around, cause I'm doing better. Taking place was the first way I made it out the ghetto. If a nigga trying to hate, I don't listen to the devil. I'm gonna show his ass up once I reach another level. When the pressure get up.
Hey, look at that, look at that.
talk some shit. I'm gonna talk my shit. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, bitch. Cause you already getting on my nerves. You be talking, I don't listen, you not heard. If you try me, you gon' get what you deserve. And that's my word. Bitch, word. Can you please get the fuck out my face?
Instagram at Memory Royale, Twitter Memory Royale, like all
Hey! Instagram key, like a car key, key to the world.
Because from Iowa City, man, you might have seen him at a couple other Young Creators events. You might see him, he got a new single out with a couple of his friends. But right now, I'm gonna let him do the talking. His name is Carter. Let's make some noise. Yeah.
What's going on, y'all? How the fuck we doing tonight? I go by the name of Carter. That is C-O-U-R-T-E-R. Before I start this shit, I'm gonna say the words I am. Y'all say Carter. You got me? I am Carter. I am Carter. I am Carter. Drop that shit, Tom. God of the dream light. God of the dream light. God of the dream light. Yeah. What? Yeah. That's everywhere I go. The passions we getting inside the none of my dreams. Yeah. I'm in the rich. Shawty, she throw it back. She got the dick. Don't want the cash up. Yeah, bitch. Girl, get an ass up. Spend on the dick. Shawty, free. Money up and try to leave. Talking that woman said, what's he need? Bitch, I'm a champion. She's at my feet. Well, listen, I took a bag on my I'm feeling rich. Shawty, she throw it back. She got the dick. Don't want the cash up. Yeah, bitch. Girl, get an ass up. Spend on the dick. Shawty, free. Money. I just make my sleep. Hey, I just make my sleep. I just make every week. Fucking adding up deep. She want to be me. She wants to rub on the feet. I see that back in the leaf. I get ass from the tree. I get the stuff in that heat. Don't let see my sleep. They got to throw it in that feet. I sleep searching for the lock. Well, I got the key. Don't let see my sleep. They got to throw it in that feet. My sleep. Don't let see my sleep. I get the bag on sleep. Back to my phone on percent, take my bills, my debt, my rent. Up in the Uber, and they got 10 sticking out. So we can bet, I tell them my eyes on that record. Let it go! Let it go! Let it go! Let it go! Together, baby, we can go so far. She likes it, Bessie, let's see caviar.
I'm not the fucking soul. I'm not a soul. My shit, bro.
That's my
I'm on the street. And I fucking said all that shit. Sold out. That's it, right?
The reality.
When you do shows, you gotta account for the drunk bullshit. So look, this is one of the ways I make my money, you know? You gotta pick up after people sometimes, right? So this is what I'm doing. Literally.
It's good intention, yeah, I promise, baby. Right, it's good vibes. What you want to do, yeah. I said it's good vibes between me and you, yeah. I want to see you drop that. Baby, don't stop that, yeah. Let me see you drop that. I want to see you mind on me, yeah. I want to see you drop that, right. Baby, don't stop that. Let me see you drop that.
I came to the van because I need to charge my phone, and either way I can't leave because I'm like car and car behind me. I'm gonna be here for a minute. But I just need to charge my phone. Oh my gosh, everybody is amazing. The last person that you guys saw I felt like was doing too much, but he has really good music, so I can separate the art from the artist for sure.
We gon' make it right. Go to get that bag and catch a flight. Yeah, we gon' catch the flight. Remember I was on me in that street where I was riding bike. My homie said don't never leave your house without breaking. Don't smoke, let a nigga bend, no. All that new money, man. We gon' get you close like we both.
Call me Chef Boy Ali. Go to my photography page at by Chef Boy Ali on IG.
Feeling so big, can't even fit in the box. What? You ain't talking about my niggas, look what you talking about. Gangsta moving silence, nigga, and I'm talking like I don't say a word. I don't say a word. I was on my grind and I got it like a jerk. Fuck nigga, hold on, wait a minute. What? I thought I was finished. What? Bring it back after what I got in the ring. What? Catch it on the niggas' head. Put my hands in the door, let me head. Be right there, catch it on the TV.
Get up on my grind, it makes sense. I need every nickel, every dime till it makes sense. So I might hit the streets, race to work like a 10. We all got a yacht, don't call me.
This is what happens when you get
that energy. I don't want none of that energy in my shit, bro. Period.
Now we can say something. So busy over here.
Oh, you know, just working, doing a little thing. What up, though? You enjoy yourself?
Yes.
I love seeing you out here a lot more, seeing the Rapids. We made a dope-ass connection, and now I see you connecting with everybody, and I love it. We out here just working.
I'm going to be MC. You already know.
Yes,
Podcast, all that stuff.
On our way. Let's go.
One more time. We're going to celebrate. Look at her. Look at her. Well, that was was crazy. So people started fighting, and I think it's because there was like a lot of like, you already know what drinking does, and there was a lot of people like on the stage. It was just a lot of people in each other's faces drinking too quick, too fast, and this is why I don't drink. But it was really nice, and it was so nice. Like meeting a lot of people. I got to meet a lot of people that want to work with me pretty much, and then some people that were really funny. Like over here, like shaking my hand and hold my hand and be like, "You are so beautiful," and and I'm just like I'm flattered, but I'm not flattered. You feel me? But thank you guys for watching. I was gonna go to an after party, but I'm tired. So it's not a rough life. It's a rough moment. I was gonna say, like, keep your grind going, for sure. Rough life, it's a rough moment. You will get past it and you will own it. Bye.